Hey everyone, I'm John Peterson from Coinbase. I work on the Coinbase Developer Platform. I am the engineering lead for AgentKit and work on several AI initiatives within the developer platform. Today we're going to go over AgentKit, some of the CDP products, and how to deploy AgentKit agents on near AI Agent Hub. So we can get started. So Coinbase is enabling on-chain agentic commerce. There are already over 20,000 on-chain agents running on Coinbase Developer Rails. The combined market cap of on-chain AgentKit agents is estimated to be over 4 billion USD today, and we're deploying more and more agents from our developers every day. So first of all, what is CDP? CDP is Coinbase's developer platform. Our vision is 1 million developers building on-chain for 1 billion users. How do we do it? We're making it simple to build on-chain apps, and we're making it even simpler for your users to use on-chain applications. So just a quick product overview for CDP here. We can split into 3 main categories. We have a payment stack, which includes smart and API wallets, on-ramp and off-ramp, send and receive, staking and yield, a set of on-chain tools, including Node, Faucet, Paymaster, data, and verifications. And then we have our development frameworks, which we're going to key in on a bit more in today's presentation, mainly AgentKit, CDP SDK, as well as AgentKit for AI agents. Notably, all of the CDP products are meant to be used as additive and will be able to be used eventually by your AI agents themselves autonomously. So next, we'll talk a little bit about on-chain enabled AI agents. At CDP, we believe that every AI agent deserves a wallet. It's impossible today to give an AI ownership of a bank account, but it's very straightforward to give an AI agent a crypto wallet, and it's even easier for the agent to perform internet-native, permissionless, and near-instant rails for payment and data transfer using that wallet and using the agent's access to blockchain. With on-chain actions, we can provide even more powerful tools to these agents, to create their own tokens, perform borrow and lend, and on-ramp, off-ramp from fiat into crypto. So now let's talk a little bit about the current crypto AI landscape. And so we've split this roughly into 3 main categories. You have AI agents, which you can think of as the consumer applications, frameworks and hubs like Eliza, Game, several others there, and then the lower level infrastructure required, which is namely the data layer. So that's training data, and then the AI foundational model LLM inference layers. And so what is AgentKit? AgentKit is a developer toolkit for building and deploying custom AI agents with pre-configured environments and ready-to-use templates. AgentKit empowers you to give any AI agent, regardless of framework, model, network, or wallet provider, access to a crypto wallet across any network with native support for EVM and SVM networks. So where does AgentKit sit within the AI crypto landscape today? It sits roughly in between the frameworks and hubs and the training data and AI inference. It's primarily a toolkit and set of core primitives and actions that allow agents to have their own blockchain wallets and interact on-chain. Why AgentKit? AgentKit allows you to unlock new agentic capabilities. This lets you unleash your agents on-chain with new superpowers and allows you to transact with programmatic transactions and interact with smart contracts and send any agent or human crypto or on-ramp and off-ramp within fiat. It enables new business models. It allows you to send dollars for free, own a new distribution network and interaction paradigm. And it allows you to drive AI adoption and growth by accessing the on-chain crypto developer community and the AI community as well. We also strive to set the industry standard for early adoption for AI applications with integrated crypto payment solutions in a secure and compliant manner in accordance to Coinbase's standards for data and privacy security. Main use cases can be broken down into 2 categories. Human assistance, which is essentially human-in-the-loop agents. These take natural language commands. They're relatively intent-based, And the way that they interact is human in the loop. Human asks the agent to do something, then the human interprets that via the LLM inference, and then uses AgentKit to interact on chain or interact with any other API that your agent may have access to. The next set of use cases are autonomous agents. Autonomous agents allow you to interact without direct human intervention. These agents are deployed on an agent deployment hub, deployed directly on chain, or deployed locally, and they allow the agent to run freely based on their predefined set of goals and actions that they want to perform to achieve their directive. So, one small aside here also, the best use case for AI is AI robot dogs with crypto wallets. We will have our own CDP robot dogs tomorrow at the CDP ETH Denver event. They'll be there all day. You will be able to interact with them powered by AgentKit. You can ask them to do tricks, do all kinds of different things, and you can pay them, and they'll actually accept the money and validate it within their wallet within AgentKit. Bit of a side note, but please come play with the dogs tomorrow. They're a lot of fun. So what's coming next for AgentKit? We want to support more AI agentic actions across all chains. We want to support a vast variety of DeFi borrow and lend protocols on EVM, SVM, and any other networks that you're willing to contribute to. We also want to support a vast variety of wallet providers. We currently today have access to local account Veeam wallets, CDP API wallets, CDP smart wallets, as well as Privy server wallets across a variety of networks. And we want to expand that to include any wallet that you may want to interact with. We want your AI agent to be able to use natively and seamlessly as well. We're open source friendly and are actively seeking open source contributors, so feel free to contribute anything that is interest to you or that you're building locally for your own AI agents. I'm sure other people may be interested in using them as well. On that point, next thing that we're focusing on is making it trivial to PR any on-chain actions you want. We want to make the open source contribution as seamless as possible. And then finally, we want to focus on progressively decentralizing the stack to support fully autonomous agents in a more native and seamless way, both from the wallet and the tool, the tool standpoint. So we're the Coinbase Developer Platform. How can we get started? Here's some QR codes to get started with our developer Discord, as well as the developer platform documentation for AgentKit. Feel free to go there. There'll be quick start CLIs that can get you set up with projects locally. And then once you're ready to deploy your agents and get them out in the world, providing real value to users, we can move on to deploying to an agent hub, such as the Near AI Agent Hub. Here on the left, you can see the Agent Hub. On the right, we have a QR code going directly to Agent Hub. Please try it out and deploy an AgentKit agent. And so now I'm going to walk through just quickly the steps involved in deploying an AgentKit agent via template to the Near AI Agent Hub. So first stop is in the top right, there's a plus. You can click on that. Once you're there, it'll bring you to this screen for deploying a new agent. You can select AgentKit by Coinbase from the set of templates to include. AgentKit within our repo provides a series of templates that you can use to deploy directly to Agent Hub to get you started. This provides a base wallet provider using the CDP API wallet, as well as a core set of agent actions to get you started interacting with some of the top DeFi protocols to do things like swap, borrow, lend, faucet on testnet, wrapping tokens, interacting with the ERC20s and 721s, etc. Once you select the template, you can put in a name for your agent and version it, and then you can click deploy. This will deploy your agent onto the AI hub, and your agent will begin running autonomously. From there, if you want to go a step further and actually develop your agent past the template, you can use the Near AI CLI to pull down the Python module for your agent from the registry. From there, you can navigate to the downloaded source code, and you can pretty much just hack away. You can add any wallet provider, any chain, any action that AgentKit supports. And then finally, you can republish your changes, again using the Near AI CLI, back to the registry, and your agent will be updated on the deployer hub and will be able to use all of the tools that you've added. Feel free to use any of the default actions that we have, implement any of your own locally or through open source contributions. The world is pretty open here. You can do really anything you want with these agents, and so I hope that AgentKit is able to empower you to build really powerful applications and get agents that are out in the world contributing real value both to the Web3 and Web2 communities. That's all from me. Thanks, everyone. Happy to take any questions that you have, but if not, thanks.